If you're still copy pasting mega prompts that are 50 pages long into ChatGPT, you are living in 2023. The internet lied to you. They sold you ultimate prompt hacks and told you that if you just added enough, act as a lawyer, or think step by step, the AI would become a genius. It didn't. In fact, your long prompts are properly making AI stupider. We have hit a wall. Context exhaustion, recency bias, and the messy middle are killing your results. But while everyone else is struggling with mega prompts, a new tech is quietly taking over. It's called Agentic Architecture. And it's the reason why prompt engineering, as we know it is officially dead. Let's be honest. What is wrong with your 1,000 word prompt? First, you have context exhaustion. AI models have a token limit. The more you talk, the more the AI forgets. The start of the forgets the start of the conversation. Second, there is fragility. You change one comma, and the whole output fails. That's not engineering. That's luck. Third is the lost in the middle phenomena. Research shows LLMs concentrate on the start and the end of a prompt. Everything you say in the middle is irrelevant. Finally, there is cost and speed. Large prompts are costly and slow, but the worst problem is probabilistic prediction. A single prompt is only a one shot prediction. If the AI gets the first sentence wrong, the whole house of cards collapses. It's like asking a chef to cook a 10-course meal with one set of instructions without letting them taste the food or check the oven in between. We are transitioning from prompting to orchestration. The state of the industry is moving towards context engineering. Rather than providing the AI with a giant instruction book, we are providing it with tools and memory. Think about it. Why tell an AI how to be a lawyer when you can simply provide it with a RAG system? Rather than typing the law into the prompt, the AI searches it in real time. This is the conflict. The old guard wants to write better words. The new guard wants to build better systems. Tools such as Crew AI and AutoGen are proving that a small group of dumb AI agents will always outperform one mega prompt every time in the business world. This isn't a theory, it's a 3 point lifetimes ROI difference. Single prompt is a dead end, the multi agent system is the highway. So, what is the replacement for the prompt? AI agents. An agent does not merely talk, it plans, remembers, and acts. Rather than a massive prompt, you have a team. You have the planner to analyze the task, the executor to get the job done, the critic to point out the errors, and the optimizer to correct them. This is known as stateful interaction. The AI maintains its memory across steps. It doesn't hallucinate as much because it has a critic agent checking its work. It doesn't forget because its memory is stored in database, not a 2,000 word paragraph. This is why experts say basic prompting will be obsolete within 24 months. We are moving from writing to a machine to managing a digital workforce. So, what to do you do now? Stop looking for the perfect prompt. It doesn't exist. Start learning agent orchestration. Learn how to define goals, not steps. Models are getting smarter. They don't need you to hold their hand anymore. They need you to give them the right environment. The future isn't about being a better writer, it's about being a better architect. The mega prompt was abandoned for a time when AI was dumb. AI is waking up. It's time you stop micromanaging it and start leading it. The era of prompt engineer is over. The era of agent architect has begun.